What's up guys, Shehbaz here. Today I have received Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G. Samsung Galaxy A52s is also the first A-series phone to be 5G enabled, making it a remarkable addition to Samsung's innovative conquests. The Galaxy A52s 5G is one of the Samsung's best smartphone of 2021. So let's start the video. Coming up next. Awesome 5G, awesome speed. First A-series phone to be 5G enabled, resulting a hyper-fast downloads, high-quality video calling, and live streaming. The feature is currently only available in flagship phones. On the next-generation mobile data network, the power of 5G fast speed changes the way you experience and share content. From super smooth gaming and streaming to ultra fast sharing and downloading. Upgrade to the Galaxy A52s 5G and speed up your smartphone experience. Awesome screen, super smooth scrolling. Feast your eyes on vibrant details with Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, reaching 800 nits brightness for clarity even in bright daylight. Eye Comfort Shield lowers blue light, and super smooth keeps the view smooth, whether you are gaming or scrolling, all on the expensive 6.5 inches Infinity O display. 6.5 inches immersive Infinity O display with 20:9 aspect ratio for edge-to-edge viewing experience, and Super AMOLED display for better colors and display quality. 120Hz display. No phone in A-series has this flagship feature, perfect for scrolling, gaming and video watching. The feature is currently only available in flagship phones. The awesome battery that lasts 2 days on a single charge. The 4500 mAh typical battery gives you more time to do what you love: streaming, sharing, gaming and more. AI power management detects and adjusts to your mobile usage habits for long-lasting power, and with up to 25 watts of super fast charging, Galaxy A52s 5G gets back to full power quickly. Can charge up to 50% in 30 minutes. Samsung also introduced a Samsung battery pack of 10,000 mAh, a 10,000 mAh power bank with 15 watts fast charging. The new Samsung battery pack comes with Samsung AFC, 15 watts and Quick Charge 2.0 support that lets you power up quickly when you are on the go. And with OCP functionality, you can charge safely without having to worry about excessive current levels damaging your device. Get your Galaxy A52s 5G and 10,000 mAh power bank right now. Please check the link in the description. No spill, splash and splatter resistant. Rated IP67 for water and dust resistance. This phone stands up to 1 meters of water on playing and capturing if your phone gets a little wet. Water resistance, rated IP67 and can withstand up to 1 meter of fresh water for 30 minutes. Samsung Galaxy A52s has received Gorilla Glass 5. The strongest and most durable yet with scratch resistance. Awesome camera, always sharp and steady. Galaxy A52s 5G multi-lens camera system takes photos to the next level. Go ultra high res on the 64 megapixel main camera with OIS for crisp, clear photos throughout the day. Expand the viewing angle with ultra wide angle camera. Customize focus with depth camera, or get closer to the detail with macro camera. 5 megapixel macro camera for all your detailed close-up shots. 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. Catch wider and more detailed pictures and videos. 64 megapixel OIS main camera. Clear and steady photos without shakiness and blurriness. Perfect for nighttime photography with 4x longer shutter speed for brighter night shots. Videos recorded in FHD at 30 fps with the stability of an action cam, resulting in steady videos. 5 megapixel depth camera, pictures with only what you want focused, with adjustable blur effects in the portrait mode. Capture details even in low light with OIS feature. Say bye to blurry photos and videos. Optical image stabilization helps you to stabilize your shots to keep the motion smooth and still crisp. Even when it's low light, the camera pulls in more light to brighten up your low light shots. Ultra wide angle camera, ultra wide experience. Similar to human eyesight, the 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera sees the world with a 123 degrees angle of view, adding more perspective to everything you shoot. Macro camera pays attention to the teeny details. Get in close with the 5 megapixel macro camera and bright out the ultra fine details in your picture. It applies a natural bokeh effect to your shots, allowing your subject to stand out from the background. Ready, super steady, go. In super steady mode, Galaxy A52s 5G keeps your videos looking smooth and stable. It records like a high-quality action camera, utilizing the ultra-wide-angle camera and productive software. High-resolution front camera can take superstar selfies. Galaxy A52s 5G's 32 megapixel front camera snaps clear, high-resolution selfies throughout the day, and with the bokeh effect to gently blur the background. Your face becomes the star. Maximize performance with Game Booster. Cut distractions and up your game with dedicated interface and easy-to-reach menu. Frame Booster gives graphics smooth, lifelike motion, and play at your best as a Game Booster learns your usage patterns to optimize battery, temperature, and memory. Awesome performance to do more at once. Whether you are doing on task or multitasking, Galaxy A52s 5G's got a big boost in performance. The advanced fastest processor, Snapdragon 778G, has a faster CPU and GPU than before, and up to 8GB of RAM deliver speed. Store more or delete less with 128GB internal storage, or add up to 1TB more via micro SD card. The powerful Samsung Galaxy A52s coming in two fun colors to choose from: awesome black and awesome white. Meet the new Galaxy A52s 5G. Awesome is for everyone. Get your Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G right now. Please check the link in the description. We hope you will like this video. If you do, please hit the like button, share and comment below the video. Also, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.